जिन प्रभु जाता सो सोबावंत, सगल संसार उधरे तिन मंत। प्रभु के सेवक सगल उधारन, प्रभु के सेवक दुख विसारन। आपे मेल लय कृपाल, गुर का शब्द जप भय निहाल। उनकी सेवा सोई लागे, जिसनु कृपा करे बड़ पागे। नाम जपत पावे विश्राम, नानक तिन पुरख कयो तम कर मानो। नाम जपत पावे विश्राम, नानक तिन पुरख कयो तम कर मानो। जिन प्रभु जाता सो सोबावंत, सगल संसार उधरे तिन मंत। प्रभु के सेवक सगल उधारन, प्रभु के सेवक दुख विसारन। आपे मेल लय कृपाल, गुर का शब्द जप भय निहाल। उनकी सेवा सोई लगे, जिसनु कृपा करे बड़ पागे। नाम जपत पावे विश्राम, नानक तिन पुरख कयो तम कर मानो। जिन प्रभु जाता सो सोबावंत, सगल संसार उधरे तिन मंत। गुरु के सेवक सगल उधारन, प्रभु के सेवक सगल उधारन, प्रभु के सेवक दुख विसारन। आपे मेल लय कृपाल, गुरु का शब्द जप भय निहाल। उनकी सेवा सोई लागे, जिसनु कृपा करे बड़ पागे। नाम जपत पावे विश्राम, नानक तिन पुरख कोय उत्तम कर मानो। नाम जपत नाम जपत नाम जपत नाम जपत, नाम जपत पावे विश्राम। नानक तिन पुरख कयो तम कर मानो। जिन प्रभु जाता सो सोबावंत, सगल संसार उधरे तिन मंत। प्रभु के सेवक सगल उधारन, प्रभु के सेवक दुख विसारन। आपे मेल लय कृपाल, गुर का शब्द जप भय निहाल। उनकी सेवा सोई लगे, जिसनु कृपा करे बड़ पागे। नाम जपत पावे विश्राम, नानक तिन पुरख को उत्तम कर्मान। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। वेलकम टू द चैनल। So today we are on the 7th stanza of the 14th Ashtapadi of Sukhmani Sahib part. Baba ji says, Jin prabh jata so sobhavant, sagal sansar udare tin month. So grace or being graceful, grace actually is not some kind of a material that we can like hold like that or we can touch and feel. Grace is a metaphysical thing like blessing. Somebody gives blessing, it is not giving something like this, no, but it is a metaphysical quantity. So Jin Prabhu Jata, so those who have understood the hukam of Malik, of Prabhu, of our Creator Lord, they attain grace, they become so graceful. And what actually happens is that they become the torch bearers of the society and they are capable of uplifting the whole world. Sagal Sansar Udre Tin Manth. So their advice is so much valuable, no? Because they are related with truth, they are related with Creator Lord Paramatma. So on the contrary, suppose a person is chasing illusion all the time, so the opposite will happen. Grace will be lost, and also whosoever follows us or such a person, or if we are that person, we are chasing illusion and other people listen to our advice, they are sure to get doomed. प्रभ के सेवक सगल उदाहरण, प्रभ के सेवक दुख बिसारन. So Prabhu and Sevak, one thing is there between the owner, the master and the servant. Master gives an order and the servant obeys the order. That is the prime condition. So Prabhu ka sevak, who is a Prabhu ka sevak? Who understands the hukam and who obeys the hukam. Prabhu ke sevak sagal udharan, they are capable of uplifting everybody. Prabhu ke sevak dukh bisaran. And when we come in their company, we also start understanding the hukam of Paramatma, and our pain is forgotten. The harsh realities of life are then accepted, because they are hukam of Paramatma. Ape mele kripal guru ka sabad jappe nihal. So it is not in our power that we will be in the company of saintly people. When God blesses, then we get such company, and we are fortunate in real sense. So some people say that they are very well connected, influential, they have connections with the politicians, high officials. Are they badpage? Are they really so fortunate? Fortunate are those who get to, connect themselves with Guru ka Shabad. Now because we have Shabad Guru, no? Guru ka Shabad, Ape mele kirpal, Guru ka Shabad jab bhay nihal. So when we meet Guru Shabad, we meditate upon the Shabad, and then there is so much enlightenment within us, and we are so blessed. Unki seva soi lage jisnu kirpa kare bad page. Now see, the grace, the amount of blessing is so much that those who are sevak of Prabhu, and further those who come in their company, they are uplifted. Not only that, those who do the seva of such blessed souls, such torch bearers, जब उनकी सेवा सोई लागे जिसनु कृपा करे पागे, they are also supremely fortunate, because then they also are able to swim across this world ocean. नाम जपत पावे विश्राम, नानक तिन पुरख को उत्तम कर मान. Now what? There are so many people. Some people would feel happy and relaxed if they attain a lot of wealth. Some people would be satisfied only if they attain a lot of fame. But there are people, no, who will be relaxed and happy and contented if they are able to meditate every day. If they are not able to meditate in the morning, they feel that something has been lost. They have lost something. Like somebody would say that he has lost a purse. So this is, Amrit Vela means early morning, which people say Brahm Muhurat also. So they value it, and when they meditate, they feel so contented. So among all people, these people are Uttam Purush, Uttam. because they are graceful, sobavant. They are our torch bearers. Nanak tin purukh ko uttam karman. They are our saints, our gurus. They are uttam. We must follow them. We follow them, and we are also uplifted. So if we try to follow others who are already chasing illusion, they won't get anything in their hands. Illusion is after all illusion, and then we are also doomed. Nanak tin purukh ko uttam karman. So they are superior and very graceful souls. They are our torch bearers, and if we listen to them, listen to their advice, we also get uplifted. Naam japat pave bisram, Nanak tin purukh ko uttam karman. So may God bless us. We also connect with Guru Shabad Guru, and make our life full of purpose. So this is the meaning of the, I can say, essence of the Shabad. So may Vaheguruji bless us, and we can continue with the part of Sukhmani in a similar way. Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh.